Hello, my name is Mark and I would like to present our project on Nairobi Airways. Our group name is Marsane Financial Services. Our group members are Musai Mark, the CEO, Irene Jepkwach, Financial Advisor, Isaac Kemboy, the Manager. That's a brief picture of the Nairobi Fire Airways that occurred. Our overview is that Nairobi Airways is an airline service provider based at the JKIA in Nairobi. Nairobi Airways experienced a huge crisis that slowed down the business and paralyzed their operations. This was a large fire that damaged facilities and hindered operations. Our aim is to assist Nairobi Airways on how to handle their crisis management using various decision-making techniques. In decision analysis was a key concept to be tackled during the crisis management. Time was of the essence here, and the decision analysis was to be done quickly. Due to time on carrying out the crisis management, there was complexity in decision analysis, and we would advise Nairobi Airways to use the following procedure on their decision analysis. So here, as a group, our aim was to assist Nairobi Airways to tackle their ways of decision and to make it timely in a manner that they will be able to handle the crisis in a short time, so that they could be back to business. So the procedure for decision analysis we have is that first they will identify the decision situation and understand the objectives. 2. Identify the alternatives. 3. To decompose and model the problem. And 4. Choose the best alternative from what they had initially. 5. Is use sensitivity analysis. So at this point, if further analysis is needed, we will again resume to step 1. But if now we go to the next step, but if not, we go to the next step, which is to implement the chosen alternative. The crisis management. We came up with various techniques that Nairobi Airways could use during their decision making while carrying out their crisis management. One was how to handle decision complexity, and 2 was the use of rational decision making. So here, in the use of rational decision making, we would advise Nairobi Airways to employ the use of first-hand information regarding the crisis and provide a first-hand and relevant steps to be applied to this course of action. So under this crisis management, we were advising Nairobi Airways to use the concept of rational decision making. So any information that comes first, please they are to employ it so that not to waste time in deciding which is the best or which is favorable. Preparation. At this event, as this event is an event that was not expected, we have come up with decisive techniques that Nairobi Airways can apply during the preparation of the crisis. Use of group decision making was one of the concepts. Okay, under here we were employing the use of nominal techniques, SWOT analysis, electronic decisions, and value analysis. That was under the use of group decision making. And then another point is the use of quantitative strategic planning matrix. And the other is the use of decision tree. So here we'll show you how the decision tree we came up with, in that there were 2 options, whether there will be a fire or no fire. Here, since we had a fire that occurred, we were to expect a loss and a salvage of the equipment. So those are the probabilities, and then here those are the probabilities. So here we could see the losses in dollars, 4 million, and then if they were to be indemnified or not indemnified, this is how we came up with our values. The probability was 0 to 8, 0.8 and 0.2. Under decision framing, this is where we determine the cost, benefit, and allocation of resources for alternative decision strategies. So decision strategies concerned with the whole environment in which the farm operates. We came up with alternative decision strategies whereby Nairobi House should harmonize organization capabilities with the threats and opportunities. So that's all we had, and thank you for participating.